Here are a few different techniques for getting into side plank. This is a prep for the full pose. From the hands and knees, swing the left foot outside of the mat. Step the right foot back, lining it up in a line, a straight line from the foot to knee to hand. Plant the foot sideways and then sweep the right arm across the waist to reach it up toward the ceiling. And then you can turn your gaze up toward the hand. If you start turning just your eyes first, as creepy as this looks, then turn your head to meet where the eyes go. Keep turning the head, but keep the eyes facing the same way. Then keep the head as it is and slowly turn the eyes upward. And then once again, rotate the head only, not the eyes, to turn your neck. If you ever taken dance lessons, that's one way to do a spin without getting dizzy. To turn your head, then your eyes, then your head, then your eyes, then your head. And once this starts to feel fairly easy, you can let your arm rest on your waist. Maybe stick your butt out a little bit to get the foot out, the left foot out in front of the right, and then lift your hips up again and line them up with that line where your knee used to be, and then reach up. Once that gets easy, then you can realign your feet so that you can stack one on top of the other. Feet lined up with the hands in that line. When you're ready to flow into it, have your feet together in downward dog and then come to plank. Fire up the legs and your core, your glutes. Stay lifted out of the shoulders and then roll to the outside of the right foot. Stack the left on top. Turn your hips to the side first, then lean to the right hand and go to the left peace fingertips. Sweep the arm toward the body as you stack the left shoulder up above the right. And then reach the arm up with the palm facing out. Eventually turning your gaze. Maybe eyes first. Turning the head to meet the eyes. Then turning the eyes. Then the head to meet the eyes. And these are some more advanced variations. From plank, come to side plank. Bend the right knee, reach down, grab the big toe with your peace fingers, thumb to toenail, and then straighten the leg. At the same time, lift the hips and keep your torso facing the side, maybe even a little bit upward. Another option is to, instead of grabbing the big toe, grab the ankle. Hoist the heel way up toward the crotch. Push the foot into the thigh, but then lift the thigh up against the foot. And then reach the right arm up. I'm flexing the left ankle like crazy and lifting the inner thigh up against the foot. Maybe come to chaturanga that way. And then upward dog. Downward dog. Here's some fun you can have when you fall out of side plank. Come into the first variation of wild thing, where you stay on the side of the foot, keep the legs straight at the knee. Or you can go into another variation where your both feet are flat on the floor, and this is closer to a wheel. Hips are turning up toward the ceiling, knees face in the same direction. You're pretty advanced. Then you can even go down to wheel.